Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to program down on your LG Smart TV without a remote control. So locate the LG logo, and it's normally directly in the middle of the TV. Just underneath will be a power button. Press it once and this little menu will pop up, and then you want to keep pressing it. So press it once, twice, 3, 4 and 5 times. So press it, keep pressing it until you get to the end of the menu here, program down. Once you're there, press and hold, and this will highlight the program down. Then you want to press once to go down once, and keep pressing until you're on the channel of choice. Now, I'm on the home screen here, so this function is not available. However, it will work if you're on a different channel. If you're on this channel and you want to change the input, press and hold the program down to unhighlight it. Press again, just single times until you get to the inputs. Press and hold to highlight the inputs. Press once until you get to your TV. Then you'll be able to go back to the channel program, up or down, do the same as we did before, and change the channel down. So that's how to program down on your LG Smart TV without a remote control.